everyone, welcome to this video of R programming with statistics. तो यहाँ पर हम लोग R programming को यूज करके statistical problems solve करेंगे और कैसे आसानी से solve कर सकते हैं हम लोग, ये मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी। हाँ, बहुत आसानी से किया जा सकता है और ये आपको यहीं पर मिलेगा। और जो अगर आपको प्रोग्रामिंग नहीं भी आती हो तो नो प्रॉब्लम्स, देयर विल बी नो डाउट्स, इट विल बी सो सिंपल कि आप आसानी से कर पाएंगे। और अगर आपको और ज़्यादा डाउट क्लियरिंग क्लासेस, मॉक टेस्ट या गाइडेंस की ज़रूरत है, आपके स्क्रीन पर सौरभ सर क्लासेस का कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स है, आप ज़रूर कॉल और कॉन्टैक्ट कीजिए। द नंबर इज़ 9836793076। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद आर प्रोग्रामिंग। हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे आर प्रोग्रामिंग से। वी विल स्टार्ट विद द वेरी सिंपल विच इज अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेशंस। आपको अगर आर प्रोग्रामिंग कोई भी प्रोग्रामिंग नहीं आती हो, दैट ऑल्सो नो प्रॉब्लम। ओवर हियर आई विल शो कि हाउ इजीली यू कैन डू दिस काइंड ऑफ ऑपरेशंस इन प्रोग्रामिंग even if you are someone without a computer science background. So let's start. So first we have appointed a values to these variables a and b. So we will run it. So select and run. Simple. Now we want to find the sum. So we will simply use the plus operator. The plus operator, and we will run it. So you can see simple, 5 plus 3 is 8. Same way we can find the difference by using the subtraction operator. We can find a value. Same for product sign. We can also do it for division. Let's see. Simple. Now if we want to have something like BODMAS related problems where there are multiple arithmetic operators, then also just write your equation in BODMAS format and the rest R will do it. So over here I have an equation. I'll select it and then I'll run it. I'll get the value. Now we were doing with individual values, one values. Now what if there are multiple values? Can there are additional functions we can do? Yes, of course. Now I have saved some values in this vector. Okay, so using combine I have saved some values and we want to find the maximum value. What's the maximum number? From seeing we can say it's 10. But what if there were multiple values? Then what we could have done? If there were 100 values, we simply use the code max. We use the function max and we pass the variables, run it, and over here we get the value. Same for minimum. Run it and we get the value. Now what about square root? Square root is again something quite difficult to do it by hand. So we can do square rooting also in programming. Simple, write the function sqrt and obviously it will take one value. So we are taking the max value which has come 10 for us. So what is the square root of 10? On your side you can do it on a calculator and check it with my answer. This is a square root value. Now absolute value, of course we have to use the difference. Now difference we have previously already found the difference, so we don't have to find it anymore. It's already saved in a variable. We'll just have to select and run and we have found the absolute value. So it wasn't a negative value, so there won't be much difference. Now what is ceiling and floor? Now ceiling is to round up to the next whole number and floor is to round down to the previous whole number, and we can use the simple functions of ceiling and floor. Let's see what's the square root number. We have got a decimal value, so see what will happen if you use ceiling and then run it. We get the value, it has rounded up. Same way floor, select, run, it has rounded down. As you can see, it is that simple. It has taken me only hardly 2 seconds to run every code, maybe 30 seconds to write it, and same way we can solve more complex problems. So if you want to learn, want to see in the most easy manner, please follow. See you in the next video.